Now we have another monkey to worry about. Monkey Jr. Stubby has left the building. He thinks I'm an idiot. Who knows if it's true or fake? Who knows? So, I'm just gonna come in, sneak up, and hope he doesn't spot me. Let's do it. He hasn't heard me. Hi, monkey. Ah! Oh, you missed! Ha ha, Losa! Flo, here, take the camera.
I didn't want it.
Oh, you don't want the camera? Don't tickle me!
You're in lockdown.
I
Lockdown.
am.
Sacrifice.
No.
Sacrifice.
No.
Sacrifice.
No.
I will sacrifice you. Me too?
Sure. No, don't. I'm okay. I'm not a bad person. I'm just a normal civilian. Not the weight. Anything but the weight. Oh yeah, Monkey working out. We'll see you next time on Monkey Ow Safari.